Sanyipace SG01PRO, designed to sense, respond, and care. The SG01PRO senses your approach and opens automatically. A gentle tap of the foot offers another hands-free way to begin. Four adjustable heat levels bring personalized warmth to every season, keeping the seat comfortably inviting whenever you need it. Precise rear cleansing and four adjustable water temperatures create a wash tailored to your comfort. After every cycle, the nozzle cleans itself automatically. Warmth that gently surrounds you. Adjustable for personalized comfort. Intelligence you feel, comfort you trust.